my channel. I hope you're all really well. So in today's video I thought I would do a bit of a power hour speed clean upstairs because I can't do anything downstairs because, as you will probably hear in the background of this, the new kitchen is getting fitted. Peter is very busy downstairs, so there'll be a lot of banging. Right on cue. So I can't do a lot downstairs because that is a disaster zone and the living room is full of everything from the kitchen, so I just don't even want to go down there. It's just awful. So we've been sort of like mainly living upstairs, sort of. Obviously coming up here when the kids finish school. So I need to give it a good tidy, so I'll show you how bad it is now. It is bad. I'm not going to come on here and pretend that it's going to be tidy before I even tidy it. It is messy. This is real life, so don't judge. But yeah, here it is. This is the bedroom. So I've got clothes all over the floor. Obviously the bed needs making, so this is our room. I'm going to give it a good dust as well because obviously with the kitchen being done there's more dust everywhere all the time that I'm constantly tidying. So this needs a good tidying and dusting and a good hoover. And then in the boys' room, not looking too bad, but there's some pillows there that need to be thrown away because they've just had new ones, and then just some bits out. But it's mainly I've got to do some dusting and things and find a home for all of that stuff in the corner there. But yeah, just a few bits out. I hate all these wires here in the corner. I need to find a way of making them look a lot tidier. Yeah, again, good dust, good hoover, make the beds, all that sort of thing. Same in Toby's room. I don't even know what is going on up there on his bed. He's got that many things and throws and oh, it's a mess. Gotta give these shelves a good dust because these are an absolute pain. They get so dusty all the time and definitely needs hoovering as well. And just to show you some of the things I plan to use with my cleaning stuff, I've got to do the bathroom as well actually. I've got some bicarbonate of soda spray here. This is really nice. I really like the smell of it. It smells really fresh and lovely. Some Astonish cream cleaner with bleach, some Cif cream cleaner as well there. This is my favourite scent, I think, of Fabuloso. So this, is it the what's it called? Electrify. So I've got the carpet spray there, and then the all-in-one disinfectant, so it's all going to smell lovely. And I've also got this foam window and glass cleaner. And then of course I have got the good old Shark Hoover. I absolutely love this hoover. I use it to death. I wouldn't be surprised if it just gives up the ghost soon because it's on all the time. I will crack on.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Baby, it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 Someday you will meet the one who will put you on a throne, will put you on a throne. And I will go out on my own to see the world again. But until then, just let me love you. 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 life you never meet, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
So my lovelies, I am going to go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation if that's what you were looking for, and I will see you again for my next one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Take care everyone, bye.